Creating engaging YouTube videos once required extensive technical skills and expensive software. Today, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing this process, making video production accessible to everyone, especially students. AI tools can assist you at every stage, from initial concept to final upload. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of leveraging AI to produce an entire YouTube video. You will learn how to harness these powerful technologies to bring your ideas to life efficiently. Embrace the future of content creation and discover how AI can amplify your educational projects. The first step in any video project is finding a compelling topic. AI can be an invaluable brainstorming partner. Use large language models to generate ideas based on your interests or course subjects. Input keywords related to your field and ask for trending topics or unique angles. AI can also help research keywords in popular search queries, ensuring your video has a relevant audience. This initial AI-driven research lays a strong foundation for your content. Once you have your topic, it is time to write the script. AI language models excel at drafting coherent and structured text. Provide your chosen topic, target audience, and desired tone to the AI. It can generate an initial script outline or even a full draft within minutes. Review the AI-generated content, then refine it to match your unique voice and specific message. This collaborative approach significantly speeds up the script writing process. A clear and engaging voiceover is crucial for any educational video. If you prefer not to record your own voice, AI text-to-speech services offer a fantastic alternative. Simply paste your finalized script into an AI voice generator. You can often choose from various voices, accents, and speaking styles to find the perfect match for your video. These tools produce high-quality audio files that sound remarkably natural. This step saves time and ensures consistent audio quality throughout your video. Now, let's add the visual elements. AI can assist in creating images, illustrations, or even short video clips to accompany your script. Describe the visuals you need, and AI image generators can produce unique graphics. For more dynamic content, some AI tools can generate simple animations or short video segments based on text prompts. You can also integrate these AI-generated visuals with royalty-free stock footage. This combination creates a rich and diverse visual experience for your viewers. With your script, voiceover, and visuals ready, it is time to assemble your video. While full-fledged AI video editors are still evolving, many tools offer AI-powered assistance for basic tasks. These can help synchronize your voiceover with the corresponding visuals. Some platforms can automatically add background music that matches the video's mood or pace. You can also use AI to suggest simple transitions between scenes. This step focuses on bringing all your AI-generated components together into a cohesive narrative. The final step involves optimizing your video for YouTube and promoting it effectively. AI can help craft compelling titles and descriptions that attract viewers. Input your video's content, and AI can suggest engaging headlines and detailed summaries. It can also generate a list of relevant tags to improve your video's discoverability on the platform. Furthermore, AI tools can create short, attention-grabbing snippets for social media promotion. This ensures your hard work reaches a wider audience. Creating a YouTube video entirely with AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It is a practical reality for students today. From brainstorming and script writing to visuals and optimization, AI streamlines every stage of production. This empowers you to focus on your message and creativity. Experiment with different AI tools and workflows to find what best suits your projects. While AI handles the heavy lifting, your unique perspective and human touch remain essential. Embrace these technologies to become a more efficient and impactful content creator.